Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are down here in beautiful downtown Indian Harbor Beach. Amazing. We're just a few hundred yards from the ocean. Kind of show you a little bit of what we're looking at here. Absolutely beautiful. We're on a townhouse building here. As you can see, a few of the buildings have already been done. I think we're going to have a real good opportunity here. It has multiple repairs. Interestingly, this building is only 11 years old, so not really sure what the problem is here. You can see it's definitely had some repairs. It's got some leaks. These are tenant owned, so everybody owns their own townhouse here, and as you can imagine, these guys, especially the ones over here, probably pretty fed up with having leaks on their 10-year-old, 11-year-old townhouse. So we're going to take a look here, provide a real competitive estimate. As you can see here, some definite issues. Anyway, we're going to make it look like those over there. That appears to be a Tamco shingle. Should be no problem for us to get that and duplicate it on this side. So there's two more buildings left after this. I'd like to try to bid all three of them, but we're going to give them what they asked for here and give them a nice competitive bid on this estimate. Once again, this is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day.